Got my Hyperlite all packed up. I'm ready to hit the trails and break this in. And can't forget my Cheetos. Okay, changed it up a bit. I'm going to try out this chair that I won from Grand Trunk, and it's the Mantis chair. So it brought my weight up from 22 pounds to 25 pounds. It's just an overnighter, so I don't mind. And that weight is with my water and food. So that's pretty good. So it's 16 degrees, or it's supposed to reach 16 degrees here in St. Stephen. But I'm headed, this trail is along the coast, so I'm not sure what the temperatures will be like there. Sorry, I'm just packing up here. So I'm hoping that it's not foggy. So we're headed to Cheeseman Beach to stay the night, and it's actually, you have to take the 5 Fathom trail, and then they had built a link trail to go to Black Beach. So Cheeseman Beach is actually on this link trail, and I want to say it's about 6 kilometers in from what I've read, but I won't know until we actually do it. So I'm a little excited on this shakedown hike. Really, it's, if you're not familiar with what a shakedown hike is, I'm taking all my gear that I have at the moment that I think I'm going to be taking on the Appalachian Trail and trying it out to see if I like everything or if there's issues with it, or perhaps I want to change something out, and I will update you on that, like maybe when I get to the beach. I've already, I believe I showed you the Hyperlite backpack, so that's my first item that I changed. I really like this pack, but we'll see what it's like after a day on the trail. I really hope that the sun is out because it is super nice here in St. Stephen. As much as I like to go backpacking, I'm really craving the sun, and of course spring season is just starting, so I've got a little bit of spring fever. So here's to hoping we have a nice day on the beach once we arrive there. We have a large parking lot, and we have Lori. Got some signs here explaining about the marine protected area. And we have snow. Just get some water. We're not sure how much water will be at Cheeseman Beach, fresh water, so just to be safe. So we've got markers along here. Got water source number 3. Lots of water. This is number 4. This one's probably dry in the summer, I would say. 5 fathom hole, 3.5. So we're going a couple kilometers past that 5 fathom hole trail. So we're gonna head to Butler Creek Beach Lookout. And then you can see the wharf up there, or the boats. lookouts. Alright. Okay, one more lookout. If you're looking for lookouts, this is the trail. So those of you that aren't familiar with the tides, that line right there is the tide line. It has gone out that far. Coming on to Wallace Cove. This is the end of the 5 Fathom Hole trail. And we're headed into the Lorneville Link Trail. It's 3.5 kilometers to Black Beach Trail, but we're only headed to Cheeseman Beach. I love walking along the coast like this. On a nice day, that is. So this is Cheeseman Beach. And we actually run into 2 fellas that are on the Lorneville Link. I guess they're a member of the group anyways. And they suggested that we stay up here by a grove of trees because the tides are really high right now. So that's where we're headed. So Lori has a brand new tent. It's exactly like mine, but it's the one person, the Dan Durston. And she literally just took it out of the package that it came in. She hasn't set it up yet. So we'll see how this goes. So, first pitch. Doesn't look bad. Yeah. That's the one person. And then we have the 2 person. Mine's a little saggier. Got some practice. But it's up. One of my luxury items. I'm hungry. Are you? Yeah. All right, that's our next chore. What do you have?
Just scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs. So for breakfast, I'm having pad thai, vegetable and peanut by Happy Yak.
That sounds good.
Yep. That was good. These are the dead trees hanging over our tents. But we have no options. So hopefully it's not windy tonight and no dead branches decide to fall off. Get our setup. Both brought our chairs. not sure what Lori's is called, if it's a chair or not, but it holds her back up and that's what counts. So I got my warm smart wool pants on. It's getting a little chilly here in the shade. Lori's starting to eat. How is your scrambled eggs?
I've had better.
And I just tried my pad thai, vegetable pad thai, I guess it is, and it needs a few more minutes, but it's definitely not the best pad thai I've had in a hiking food. So here's my pad thai. Let me see your eggs, Lori. Your eggs look better, actually, compared to
Eggs and sausage. Oh no, bacon. I thought it was
compared to mine. It looks like I got puke pieces in it or something. So the tide is making its way up. It's funny how when the tide comes in on the sand, it's super quiet. But over here on the pebbles and the rocks, you get this noise. Well, it's a soothing noise. Just headed back to the camp. We are right up on that hill. I don't know if you can see my tent in there. We're snuggled up in there. Hoping for a warm night. And the view from my tent tonight.